up, folks? How's it going? I know I have been missing in action, but I'm back. I'm back on this channel. Anyways, let's get to what I came here to do. Next to cats, Asian people singing Open Gangnam Style. Oh, motherfucking gentlemen. Out of control white male celebrities. Baby, oh, and the babies. Old people are the 5th most adorable things on the internet, especially when they're really old, like they were born 100 years ago. Like so old they knew Moses. They were good friends with Moses. They were actually there when Moses was parting the Red Sea. They handed Moses the staff. That type of old. People find that shit adorable. The lady in the video I'm about to show you just reached 100 years old. Now you'd feel like say grandma is old and cold, feeble and wrinkled. Grandma has some nasty little things coming from her non-dentured mouth. The freakiness that is spewing from those gums. My God. She does not only need somebody to feed her, clean her diapers, listen to her stories over and over and over and over and over and over again. But grandma at 100 years old needs some dick.
So what are you doing to celebrate your birthday?
Huh?
What you doing to celebrate your birthday?
Give me a piece of dick.
Grandma, what the hell you doing with dick at 100 years old? The only ick you need is a walking ick.
Give me a piece of dick.
You can barely chew your own damn food, but you want some dick?
Give me a piece of dick.
Don't old people like things soft and mushy? And the last time I checked with my dick, it only gets hard.
Give me a piece of dick.
If you think that was the beginning, it wasn't. Grandma had to start off the interview by letting that reporter know exactly what she wanted.
No, you're right.
How your dick hanging?
Woo!
How your dick hanging?
How your dick hanging?
Damn, Grandma. That man does not know what the hell to do. He's as uncomfortable as a boyfriend sitting between the parents of his girlfriend that is sucking his under the table. Awkward. If I was that reporter and she had asked me that shit, it would have gone totally different.
How your dick hanging?
About the same length as your tits. Now shut the fuck up and let's do this interview so I can get the fuck out of here. The goddamn place smell like Vicks and lamp oil. Fuck. After being harassed by Moses' homegirl, the interviewer decides to continue, and grandma decides to spew that nasty, freaky stuff from her lips once more.
So what does it mean to you to make it to 100?
One dick.
I'm sorry, what?
One dick.
I see. That's very interesting. Grandma, what is 2 + 2?
One dick.
Grandma, finish this line from Ray J's One Wish. If I had...
One dick.
Grandma, what medication are you on?
One dick.
For your arthritis?
One dick.
Your sugar?
One dick.
What are you sitting on?
One
Oh, don't need to answer that. I think I've got your diagnosis. Look, Mr. Reporter, it seems like Grandma is fixated on
dick.
Thank you, Grandma. And you're going to have to give her what she needs.
I can't do it. Mom.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll have to take one for the team. Shit. Now, Grandma, I would tell you to meet me around the bathroom in 5 minutes, but I know you're going to take like 30 minutes for each around there. So how about you meet me around there in 45? Come get this dick! Grandma wants a D. This is probably gonna be some of you girls a couple years from now when you hit 100. Don't lie. You know you're gonna need that D. Damn! Grandma must have been deprived You see what you made me say, Grandma? Deprived of dick for about 50 years now. Damn.
It means to you to be 100 years old.
What it mean to me to be 100 years old? I can get 100 dick.
Oh, Grandma, you nasty.
Oh, I can get 100 dick.
What the fuck you doing with 100 dicks? I've seen a girl in a porno take 3 one time. I've even seen a girl take 5. She had one on her armpit, one in her mouth. Never mind that. Grandma, you nasty. 100 dicks?
Get 100 dick.
That's 1/3 of King Leonidas' 300 gang. Damn, Grandma.
Get 100 dick.
You must have the good stuff to be talking like that.
The good stuff is the dick.
Oh! God damn it, Grandma. Can't you take anything serious? You need some blessings from God.
I'm blessed about dick.
Fuck it, I'm done. I'm done. Look, people, may I cut. I hope grandma gets the dick she wants and she get over her dick fixation and feel better soon. May I cut.
I feel better when I get a good dick.
That's it. I'm about to tear that old ass up. I'm about to tear that old ass up.
How big is yours?
Like an elephant's trunk.
Subscribe! Yes, man.